Good morning, children. Welcome to moral science class. First time we are going to have moral science class. We will do first lesson number 2, my parents, my angels. Who are angels? Angels are मैसेंजर्स ऑफ गॉड. गॉड के भेजे हुए, भगवान के भेजे हुए जो लोग होते हैं, जिनको भगवान अच्छा इस दुनिया में करने के लिए भेजता है, उसे हम एंजल्स बोलते हैं. एंजल्स ऑफ गॉड, मैसेंजर्स ऑफ गॉड, जो यहाँ आकर लोगों के लिए अच्छी चीज़ें करते हैं दुनिया में आकर. ठीक है. माई पेरेंट्स, माई एंजल्स. Mrs. Matthews, our class teacher says, Miss Matthew, our class teacher says, our class teacher name is Miss Matthew, that we are in this world because of our parents. How we have come in this world? We have come in this world by parents. My parents have brought us in this world. Mother and father are our angels. They are our good messengers of God. भगवान, जैसे भगवान होता है वैसे ही वो हमारे लिए हैं, एंजल्स हैं, भगवान की तरह है, भगवान के भेजे हुए हैं. जैसे भगवान के भेजे हुए अच्छे से लोग होते हैं, वैसे ही मदर फादर भगवान ने हमारे लिए भेजे हैं और वो हमारे एंजल्स हैं. दे लुक आफ्टर अस, वो हमारी देखभाल करते हैं ना. दिस इज़ माई मदर. आई कॉल हर मम्मी. हर नेम इज़, यू विल राइट योर मम्मीज़ नेम हियर. दिस इज़ माई मदर. आई कॉल हर मम्मी. हर नेम इज़, यू विल राइट द नेम. मम्मी इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. शी वर्क्स हार्ड and cooks delicious food, tasty food for the family. She also keeps the house clean. She also keeps the house clean. He is my father. His name is, now father's name right here. I call him Daddy. He is very strong. He works very hard in the office. He goes to office and there he works very hard. He earns money for us. Why does he go to office? He goes to earn money. पैसा कमाने के लिए जाते हैं ना. Because father brings money. Nowadays mummy also goes office and brings money. Okay, some mothers go to office. They are working mothers. I have a little sister, Sia. Now sister's picture is here in this page. I have a little sister, Sia. Her name is Sia. On Sundays we have meals together. Meals means food. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. We have meals together on Sunday. I help Daddy to water the plants and wash his car. I help Daddy to water the plants and wash his car. Sia helps Mummy in dusting the house. Dusting means whatever, because of pollution, dust comes on the furniture or on the things in the house. So Sia helps Mummy to clean that dust. Okay, which comes on the furniture and things in the house. In the evening we go out for a ride. Means we go by car somewhere out, okay, for our entertainment. We go somewhere out by car together. Last Sunday Daddy took us to the museum. Museum is a place where old things or many different types of things are collected and kept for the people to come and see. म्यूज़ियम एक ऐसी जगह होती है जहाँ पुराने टाइम की चीज़ें, जब पुराने टाइम में जो चीज़ें यूज़ की जाती थी, किस तरह के यूटेंसिल्स यूज़ किए जाते थे, किस तरह के क्लोथ्स लोग पहनते थे, किस तरह के वेपन्स लोग यूज़ करते थे, ऐसी सारी चीज़ों का कलेक्शन करके रखा जाता है एक प्लेस पे, उसको म्यूज़ियम कहते हैं. There is a museum in the zoo also. When you go to zoo, you can see museum there also. He showed us the articles kept there. Articles means things. He teaches us many new things. Who teaches new things? नई नई चीज़ें कौन सिखाता है? Daddy, Papa. At night, Mummy reads out stories to me and my sister. Mummy reads story at night to me and my sister. मुझे और मेरी मम्मी सिस्टर के लिए स्टोरी रीड करते हैं मम्मी. My parents teach us good values. Good values means अच्छी अच्छी बातें, अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें. Like when you meet strangers, you shouldn't talk to them. But when you meet anything to whom you know, you should wish to them first. Your uncle, auntie, your neighbors, your elders or anyone, you must wish whenever you see them. This kind of good values. Or you receive anything, you say thank you. Or you by mistake hurt someone, you say sorry. All such good values my parents teach us. They always help and guide us. Guide us means they tell us how to do different things. If you want to know how to do things, they tell us. Guide us means tell us. I love my parents. They are very special. I love my parents. They are very special. Okay, children, read the lesson. This lesson you read, and then when you will read the lesson, then come to on page number 13. Do this page 1. Write Y for yes, N for no. Write Y for yes and N for no. My parents are blessings from God. Yes. My parents are blessings from God. Yes. We should always obey our parents. हमें उनका कहना मानना चाहिए, obey करना चाहिए. Yes. On Sunday I enjoy lunch with my family. Yes. My mother takes care of me when I am sick. Yes. At school I throw away the lunch my mother packs for me. No. At school I throw my lunch what my mother packs for me or gives to me. No. This is very bad thing. No, not at all. 3 things which I am thankful to my parents. My parents do so many things for us. So what things they do for you? So that is why you are thankful to them. They love you. They give you food. They teach you good values. 3 things they do. They love you, they give you food and they teach you good values. 3 things which I promise to do to make my parents happy. कौन सी ऐसी 3 चीज़ें आप करो जिससे आपके पेरेंट्स आपसे खुश रहें? Study, obedient, कहना मानो, and love them. पढ़ो, उनका कहना मानो, obey them and love them. Okay? Now next is page number 14. Here you will paste the photo of your father, paste the photo of your mother, write father's name, his birthday, his favorite color, his favorite food. Your mother's photo, mother's name, mother's birthday. Ask them, you do not know na? You ask them what is her birthday date and what is her favorite color, what is her favorite food, and you write the date of their marriage. When did they get married? Okay, write the date here. Okay. Marriage anniversary. Celebrate marriage anniversary of your parents. Write the date of marriage anniversary. Okay, this much you do. We will meet in the next moral science class. Okay, children. I will send you these pages. You write from there. Okay. Bye bye.